We've built the new YouTubers community so that you can help grow your YouTube channel faster by building relationships and helping you grow your community quicker. So you're new to YouTube, but you don't really know where you need to get started. In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly what you need to do when you're first starting out on YouTube so that you can set yourself up for success and get the views on your videos that you deserve. Let's not waste another second and get right into it. Now, the first thing you need to do when starting your YouTube channel is decide on a topic. Decide on a broad category of videos that you want to create for your YouTube channel. And this really depends on what kind of things you like. What do you enjoy creating videos on? What do you have experience in that you can then share with others? Think about what your friends ask you advice for. When you're relaxing on the weekend with your friends, what kind of conversations are you having with them? What questions are they asking you? And what are they relying on you to help them with? This is the best way to understand where you want to get started with your YouTube channel. And it's normally a passion or something that you really enjoy. So one of the questions I really like asking in the beginning is, what do you do on the weekends? What do you do with your free time? Because this is the best way of understanding what you're willing to do and not get paid for. If you're willing to spend time on something and not get paid for it, then it's definitely one of your passions. It's something that you enjoy. And if you can join your passion with creating videos on YouTube and helping other people learn and grow in the topic that you're interested in and passionate about, then you're going to create the best kind of business that you can, doing your passion and making money at the same time. And that's exactly what I want for you. I want you to be successful on YouTube. And that's why I create these videos for you guys. So if you're enjoying these videos, make sure you smash the like button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing, because we create new videos every single week, helping you start and grow on YouTube. Back to getting your YouTube channel off the ground. When you're first starting out and the first few videos you create, you need to make sure that you're creating videos that are really specific and don't have a lot of competition. So they're not other channels creating lots of videos on this specific topic. If there's low competition for the topic that you're creating your video about, it means you're gonna have a better chance of your video getting in front of new people. Those people watching your videos and then starting to subscribe to your YouTube channel so that you can grow your user base on YouTube. Once you start building momentum on YouTube, YouTube's going to start pushing you out there and showing your videos to more and more people. As people enjoy your videos and they start watching your videos all the way to the end, YouTube is going to start loving your channel. And this is what it's all about, is starting to build that initial momentum. And in order for you to not lose inspiration and motivation when you're creating your videos, I always tell new YouTubers to stay focused on videos that they're really going to enjoy creating. If you're enjoying the creation process, it means you're going to create more videos and it's going to be easier for you to create those videos. So stay focused in the beginning on videos that you really enjoy creating. Getting started on YouTube is really just a numbers game. How many videos do you think it takes the average channel on YouTube to reach that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours mark? It's 152. 152 videos. That's quite a few videos in order to get your channel off the ground. Now you can do it faster, and we've got just the community to help you do that. We've built the new YouTubers community so that you can help grow your YouTube channel faster by building relationships and helping you grow your community quicker. I'll leave a link for you in the description down below, and you can join the new YouTubers community to help you grow faster than the average YouTube channel. The point I wanted to make is that you need to create lots of videos on a consistent basis in order to get your channel going and to start building momentum on YouTube. Once you've decided what topic you're going to create videos on, you need to stay focused on this topic for at least your first 50 videos. If you start creating videos on a specific topic, let's say on snowboarding, and then your next video is on fly fishing, someone who's interested in snowboarding may not be interested in fly fishing, and then when you release a fly fishing video, they may unsubscribe from your channel. So make sure that you focused on a specific topic so that people know what they're subscribing to your channel for, and they know what kind of videos they can expect from your channel. If you have any other questions about getting started on YouTube and what kind of videos you should create, let me know in the comments section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing because we create new videos every single week, helping you start and grow on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.